This long throw to be taken by Ryan Richter. Launches it into the penalty area. Headed right to an Ottawa player. It's Oliver in the first minute. What a start for Ottawa Fury FC.
Delivers this one, and Wiedemann goes in for the header. Knocked down by Davis. Falls to Wiedemann. He's got it! Andrew Wiedemann! His second game with goals. Third goal of the season. Now he's on fire. This game is tied at 1 in the 73rd minute.
Heineman and Ryan over this ball. Who will take this free kick from 20 yards out? Richie Ryan, left foot, and again!
I knew it!
Richie Ryan with a beauty. His second goal in club history. The captain restores the Ottawa lead in the 35th minute. 2-1 Fury.
Heineman looking to lay it off. Sends it over to the far side. Again, it's Ubi Parapovic with a drive. He's got it! Sinisha Ubi Parapovic. What a fantastic game. And it's 2-0 Ottawa in the 81st.
Ubi Parapovic skipped past one man. Comes into the middle. Nicky Patterson! It's Nicky Patterson in the 88th minute. Off the feed from Ubi Parapovic. And Ottawa Fury FC finally have a goal. They lead it 1-0 over Indy 11. Here it is, free kick. Richie Ryan, left-footed drive. Oh! It's brilliant from Richie Ryan. Just inside the far post. No chance for the keeper. Second goal today from the captain. 4-1 Ottawa Fury. Good ball for Carl Howarth, has lots of space in front of him. He gets it to Andrew Wiedemann. Onto his left foot, the shot, and that'll do it! Andrew Wiedemann in stoppage time makes it 3-1, and that will seal the North American Soccer League fall season title in 2015 for Ottawa. Ubi Parapovic trying to spring Heineman. Flag is down. Heineman left-footed shot, and it's 2-1! Tom Heineman! In the 108th minute, what a ball from Ubi Parapovic, and Heineman drills it with his left foot. Fury FC in front here in extra time. So it's 10-11 now for Ottawa. And here's a ball towards Heineman. Gets past the defense, left-footed shot. Oh, it's tied! The 10 men of Ottawa Fury have tied it. It's Tom Heineman in the 71st minute. Brilliant stuff. And Fury are level. Game on in New York City. And there is the final whistle. The New York Cosmos win the 2015 Soccer Bowl. 3-2 the final. They beat Ottawa Fury.